Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Oh, first coffee of the morning. So, happy Thursday. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. I am so sorry. I really meant to put this video up yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to because I was having quite a time with my dog. As you guys know, she's an old girl and she is 14, which is quite old for a wee-in, and she was just having a day yesterday. So we'll do this today. So what I want to, first of all, if it's your first time visiting, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And today I have a super fun one. So this is by far one of my favorites. So these are pop sockets and badge reels, but these are made out of the Dollar Tree cardboard stickers, and these turned out fabulous. Now my orange, I messed up. I'll show you him first because I don't know what I was doing, but I let my pop socket slide off to the side. I think sometimes I get talking and stuff while I'm doing it. So him, I messed up, but if you're not looking at that, look how absolutely cute this is. And this is those double stickers, so it's all epoxied back together, but so cute. We have the kiwi. These turned out so cute. Then the strawberry. This guy's on a badge reel. Look how stinking adorable this is. I am just totally digging these things. These are incredible. And they have these decals at the Dollar Tree all the time. So this comes in a pack with all these different fruits. And there's 4 or 5 more out on my porch. I finished them up afterwards, but they are still drying because I just put the last coat of epoxy on them. But look at this. This is so cute. And this one, I think that's a dragon fruit, right? So cute. And I mean, these are solid now. Like, nice and solid. I did put epoxy on the backs of them. And on the centerpiece, I left, you know, the little dot that raises them, but I did put epoxy in there too. Look, that way that you don't worry about them coming apart. But look how cute these are. The papaya. And papaya is a badge reel. These turned out so cute. Like, I am just loving these. Watermelon. And then grapefruit, I believe I already showed you. He's a pop socket. So pretty. So these, I mean, these just turned out incredible. Aside from my orange that I put on sideways, and I can't even fix it because I have these things tacked on so well. But isn't this so cute? Oh my gosh, I am just totally digging these. I love how they turned out. And this is a really inexpensive project when you think that you get all of these plus maybe 4 more, maybe 5, I think 4 more out on the porch that I have. I mean, that is a lot of projects, a lot of pieces for, you know, $1, and then your pop sockets and your badge reels. These pop sockets are 55 cents at Glitter Chimp. I know you can get them less expensive on Amazon. And then the badge reels, you get 3 for $1. So super, super cute. And these are just absolutely fun. They are by far some of my favorites. Like, super cute. This turned out exactly the way I wanted it to. Like, they're perfect. So this is a really fun project, and I hope that you like it. I'm going to be attaching, of course, the video of putting it together. And yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, friends, so let's see if we can, so you can see it. All right, so I saw these. Now, I've never done this before. We'll see how it turns out. But I saw these at the Dollar Tree, and I knew I had some at home, and I was thinking, I wonder if, like, I feel like these would make some really cute pop sockets. Now, I only mixed up 6 cc's of epoxy to start because I feel like this is not going to need much at all. 6 cc's may still be a lot. All right, so here are all of my little fruits. How cute did these turn out? So I did end up going ahead and just putting some epoxy on the back of these just to make them a little bit stiffer. I want to, you know, put them together and do that 3D look. So I'm gonna just put them back together. I took the spongy piece off the backs of them, but not off the tops, and then putting them together make them a little thick, you know. When I go to do epoxy, I'll actually put a little epoxy on the bottom pieces of these, and then, you know, put them together so that it stays really good. And then I'm gonna go in and do just a nice, you know, rounded finish on each of the tops of these. Let's just put a tiny bit of epoxy on these. Even though, look how good these sticker things still stick. I mean, this is even, like, I've put epoxy on the back ends of these, and they've been off for a little while, like, and they're still sticking pretty good. I just want a tiny little bit of shiny just to see. All right, and here we go. Oop, this one, I somehow let it slip, but that's all right. See, this is why you get cocky and you let it, don't hold it under there and it slips. Pomegranate, super cute. I am so excited over these. These really turned out so cute. These are so fun. Easy, inexpensive. Then we've got our badge reel. Strawberry badge reel. Papaya. Oh, here's our lime. Our kiwi. Our dragon fruit. These really turned out so cute. I'm just disappointed that I didn't pay attention and make sure that this was on properly. So, made that one a dud. Oh well. All right, listen, friends, I hope that you liked it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.